Hey, Violet. Come into my room. You'll see the dress I put on the bed. Wash it for me. I need to wear it tomorrow to go out with my friend. Remember to wash it with your hands. It's in a limited edition by a famous designer and very expensive. So if it has any damage, I will reckon with you. I'm sorry, Violet, but I can't wash it for you today. I have to go out today. Can you wash it by yourself? Just only today. What? Hey, I'm telling you, you've been living in this house for free. You don't have a job, and my brother has to support you. As my sister-in-law, you don't give me any money, but make me do the housework? That can't happen. I don't want that too, Linda. You know, I have often asked your brother to let me go to work, but he always says no. He told me that my most important job right now is to have a baby. Gosh, who can make sure that you're not infertile? How can you have a baby? Your brother and I both have a reproductive health test, and we're very healthy. So maybe it's just a matter of time. I don't care. Do you know that my brother's ex, who probably should have been my sister-in-law, sends my money monthly? Just because she saw my comment on Facebook that I like to dress. But because of your appearance, I don't have such a wonderful sister-in-law. You're just an old woman. Ugly and rustic. How can you be worthy of my brother? Linda, I know that you don't like me. But anyway, I have become your sister-in-law. We have become one family. So you should be very careful with your words. Now, I have work to do, so I will text you later. Do you dare talk to me in that tone? Hey, come back here. Why are you in such a hurry? I got it. You must hurry to spend the money you stole from me, right? What money? What are you talking about? I have $500. I put it on the dressing table, but this morning it disappeared. Because it was time to meet my friends, I had to go, so I didn't have time to ask you. Maybe it dropped under the table or the couch. Just try to search for it carefully. Oh, come on. You definitely know exactly where it is. I have thoroughly searched. There's only one place that I haven't searched yet, and that's your room. Don't slander me like that. I'm not slandering you. It's just you and me in the house. My brother is going on a business trip, and my mom is traveling with her friends. How could my money be lost all of a sudden? You don't have a job. You're just a parasite. So you took my money to spend, right? You don't have proof, so don't blame me. You even pretended innocent and didn't know where the money was? Don't you remember when I found my lipstick in your bag? You really know how to choose things to steal. That was my most expensive lipstick. If you didn't steal, it suddenly had legs to run in itself. You stole it. Just admit it. Linda, I didn't know why your lipstick was in my bag either. I can be sure that I didn't steal anything from you. So, answer my question? Why would a person like you, who has no friends, job, or social relationship, go out without staying home to do housework? I don't think my going out has anything to do with this. If you don't have a good reason, I can only understand that you went out to spend the money you stole from me. If you haven't done anything wrong, why hide it? Or are you having an affair behind my brother's back so you're afraid I'll find out? No, don't think like that. I would never betray him. Stop saying meaningless words. Actually, I'm going to take a pregnancy test. Pregnancy test? What? That's right. My period hasn't appeared for a month now. These days, I see myself as a little changed. The smell of food made me very nauseous. So today, I want to go check. Because nothing is certain yet, I don't want to tell everyone. No way! How can it happen? I'm afraid that if I told Ben, he would rejoice in vain like last time. I intend to get an ultrasound scan first, and then I will tell everybody. Are you serious? If you're pregnant, how can I... Do you need anything? Oh, it's my turn to see the doctor. Talk to you later. No! Where are you right now? Send me the location. For what? I have to come to make sure you aren't colluding with the doctor to fake the ultrasound. Then, fine. I will send you the clinic's location. Hey, don't think that if you are pregnant, you can avoid doing the housework. And do not rush to talk about this baby to my mom and brother. Huh? Why? Didn't the results show I'm having a baby for 1 month? Everything is certain. Why not let everyone know? You're so silly. Do you know my brother is attending an important conference, and if he performs well, he can be promoted or not? Yes, of course. I know it. So, if you announce him right now, he would lose concentration when working. He maybe misses his chance. Do you want it to happen? No, you're right. But what about Mother? My mother has never been to a foreign country. This is the first time she's free to go out. You want to tell her so she'll return home and take care of you? You are so selfish. You don't know what you should and shouldn't do at all. No, I got it. I will wait until they get home. Linda, where's my prescription medicine? I need to check if that's enough sorts of medicines or not. Hey, you don't believe me? I personally received the prescription from the doctor and went to buy medicine for you. Do you think I'm cruel enough to hurt the baby? No, that's not what I mean. It's just that I find it very strange that there is only one medicine here. Don't pregnant women often have to take a lot of tonics and vitamins to take care of the baby? Don't worry, this is a special drug. As long as you take it regularly within 3 days, you never feel tired or mourning again. Oh, really? It sounds very effective. Can you give me the name of the medicine? I want to buy some more just in case the medicine runs out. No, there is no need. This medicine only takes 3 days to be effective. The next time you go to the antenatal clinic, you have to call me to come with you. I want to make sure everything goes exactly as planned. Plan? Which plan are you talking about? Oh, nothing. I mean, I want to make sure the baby's healthy. Oh, thank you, Linda. Don't misunderstand me. I still don't like you. I just do that for my brother. Yeah, I know. So now take the pill and go to wash my dress. Hi, Linda. Are you free today? Can you come with me for about 1 hour? What? Why do I have to spend time with you? I'm shopping with Ben's ex, the one who was supposed to be my sister-in-law. So I don't have to spend time with you. Linda, I understand you have a very good relationship with her, but maybe I shouldn't re-emphasize that she used to be Ben's ex. I feel uncomfortable and disrespected when you keep bringing it up. Huh? Why do I have to care about your feelings? You can't even do anything good in this house. Look at her. She is really beautiful and rich, loves my brother very much, and pampers me. You can never be in one line with her. Are you sure you can keep the baby in your belly? Hey, Linda, how dare you talk like that about my baby? How can you curse my baby like that? That's your biological nephew or niece. Who can make sure about that? I will certainly never accept you and the baby. I will do everything to make Ben's ex become my sister-in-law. Your morals have totally gone off the rails. No matter what I say to you, it's useless. Just look at how you're speaking to me right now. Linda, I intended to speak softly to you, but now I realize that's not possible. You hate me so much that you even want to kill my baby? What? Who kills your baby? I know nothing about it. Maybe you were pregnant and didn't sit still, but you ran around so you fell and miscarried somewhere. Not because of the medicine I gave you to take. You miscarried and blamed me? Ugh, so nonsense. Linda, I haven't accused you yet. Why do you deny it? Why do you mention that pill? Why do you think I miscarried? Because I know for sure that you'll blame me. No, Linda. At first, I thought it was because you took someone else's medicine by mistake. But now I get it. You did it on purpose. What? How can you know? I just finished my checkup at the antenatal clinic. Huh? How dare you go to a checkup alone? I told you to wait for me to come with you. But obviously, you don't have an appointment today, right? I remembered that the doctor told you to check again in 2 weeks.
That's right. But these days, I feel very uneasy inside. Although I no longer have morning sickness, my stomach is very painful. Because it was my first pregnancy, I was afraid that something bad would happen to the baby. So I went to the hospital to check and bring the pack of pills you bought. I texted asking if you were free, but you obviously said you didn't.
That was because you didn't say it directly. So, what the doctor told you?
I think you must be the one who knows better than ever. The doctor said that the medicine you gave me was not what the doctor prescribed. That was the medication abortion. He said the drug is extremely dangerous and has been banned because it not only causes miscarriage, but can also lead to infertility if taken in sufficient doses. Didn't you remind me every day to take my medicine on time? I thought that you had changed. You cared about the child. So you did that. It turns out it was all just my imagination.
What? Infertility? No way. It can't be true.
Why are you so surprised? It was you who gave me this prescription. You must be the one who understands its effects better than anyone.
No, that wasn't me. Oh no, what have I done?
Huh? If not you, then who?
It was Ben's ex-girlfriend. When I told her you were pregnant, she gave me that medicine and told me to make sure you took the pills. She said it was just a drug that would make you miscarry. If you miscarry, she has a chance to become my sister-in-law and will give me a lot of money. I didn't know it could cause infertility. Although I hate you, I am not cruel enough to destroy your life like that.
That is ridiculous. Do you just feel guilty for possibly making me infertile and not feeling sorry for the baby? You are a stone-cold killer. How dare you? I will certainly not let you off.
No, that's not what I mean. I simply thought that if you miscarried this time, my brother would divorce you. Then you will get a new husband and will be pregnant soon. I didn't know the consequences could be this serious.
Until now, you still blame others without admitting your mistake? No matter how much you hate me, the child is still innocent. Even if others order you, you are old enough to realize this is wrong. So why do you still do it?
No, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. It's all my fault. It's all because I trusted that cruel woman too much to kill my own nephew. I really regret it. Please forgive me, Violet. I swear, from now on, I won't cause trouble for you anymore. I will treat you well.
Linda, don't panic. The baby is still here. I'm not miscarriage. It's not really happening for me so far.
What? Are you serious? You didn't just say that to reassure me, right?
No, Linda, I don't need to do that.
But how? Didn't you say that just taking the full dose would definitely cause miscarriage and infertility?
Yes, but only if the dose is enough. Luckily, I haven't taken any pills yet.
What? But I obviously saw you take 1 pill yesterday.
On the first day after texting you, I was too tired to fall asleep. Just like that, I forgot to take my medicine when I woke up at night. I did take it yesterday, but for some reason I threw up that pill. So it hasn't penetrated me yet. I guess the little angel in my stomach is trying to protect me. And today, I felt my stomach had some problems. So I didn't take the pill, but brought it to the clinic for examination and discovered this shocking secret.
Thank goodness. So it means both the baby and you are still healthy, right?
Yes, luckily we are.
Thank you. Thank you so much for not taking the pills. If something happens, I will regret it for the rest of my life.
Linda, it doesn't mean that I will forgive you.
I understand that, but the baby didn't harm at all, so maybe... Can you please don't tell my mom and brother? They will kill me if they know what I have done to you.
No, Linda, this is too serious. I can't just ignore it like that. But maybe I can help you to reduce the guilt.
What? What can I do for you?
You're staying with Ben's ex-girlfriend, right? Yes. But I've been standing in the restroom since you texted me, so she knows nothing about this conversation. Great. So, Linda, I need you to make her tell you everything about her plan to harm my baby and me. Ask her where she got the medicine, and record all your conversations with her and send it to me. I will use it as proof and sue her for murder and use of the prohibited drug. Wait, if you sue her, won't I be implicated as well? Don't worry. I will say that you told me the truth before, so I was fine. They won't arrest you. I will need you to become my witness. Yes, I will do everything you need. Oh, she's calling me. I promise I will make that witch tell everything. Then, Linda sent me audio recordings of Ben's ex-girlfriend's horrible plan. Turns out, Ben once broke up with her because she was pregnant with another man's child. But after being abandoned by that man, she returned to find Ben, but he refused to go back to her because he was dating me then. That selfish woman says that if she was not happy, she would destroy Ben's family. Linda was so shocked about this. She kept apologizing to me, showing remorse. Thanks to the evidence Linda sent me and the fact that she testified in court, Ben's ex-girlfriend was sentenced to 15 years in prison. Linda also completely changed her attitude toward me. She has become a lot more obedient and respectful of me. I will have a baby in a month, and my whole family is eagerly waiting for him.